We are going to show how our LP46 Dlite plus Wi-Fi printer configure with customer's local server or local router. For that we need to switch on the printer, and the default printer Wi-Fi SSID details available with the printer self-test. For printer self-test we need to hold the feed button. Once the LED blink one time, release it, you will get all the printer self-test details. On the self-test you will get all the printer current SSID, default IP, all the details available with the self-test. Once you take the self-test, now check your system SSID. Once you see the SSID, you can see in the your Wi-Fi icon, see the printer default SSID, it will be showing. You just click it, connect. So you can see now the default SSID is connected. Once connected, open any browser, type the printer current IP 192.168.4.1. Once you selected the default printer configure details, it will be shown on the display. Then you need to click Wi-Fi. So IP. Once Wi-Fi is selected, the first option you will say station. Station is the local SSID you need to select automatically. Once you open this, the nearby default SSID and default Wi-Fi details will be. So which one the customer you need to select. Now we are going to set the office ID. Once you selected SSID, now you need to give the password, the Wi-Fi password. Wi-Fi password, once you give, BSSID is not required, just keep save button. To go Wi-Fi, once Wi-Fi, then click the Wi-Fi option, second option. Here you need to assign customer local IP, which it will be free IP, it's called. Now you have to give station net mask and the gateway. The details you can get it from customer command from IP configuration. If you give, then all the details it will be shown. Now station port, your default it will be 9100. Station time, it's say 300. Then again click save button. Okay, just start. Now again click Wi-Fi. Now click third option DHCP. Here you need to close both DHCP client and DHCP server. Then give save. Now you need to switch off the printer for 10 to 20. Save the IP with the printer. Now almost 10 seconds over, we can switch on the printer. Again we'll take the printer self-test to confirm is the given IPs are saved or not to printer. Now I'm taking self-test. Once they take the self-test, see whatever IP we have assigned, everything is saved to printer. To check that IP, it has been pinging or assign whatever IP to printers. For cross verify, we need to check the IP it is pinging, and for that we need to open the command prompt, type ping space whatever the printer current IP we have assigned, right? The current IP we have assigned 172.19.80.239. Click it. You can see the IP is being started to pinging. So you have now confirm the printer has been connected with the customer local network. Then you install the driver. The file will be downloaded from our website. Give it finish. Install printer. Select network Wi-Fi. Next. Select the printer model. Next. You can see the printer IP has assigned. You can select next, next, finish. Once it's completed, just hit the close icon. Now you can go to printer and access. See the printer icon has been came. For testing, I am just giving a text page, print text page. Now you can see printer has been connected and Windows text page has been came successfully. Thank you.